Okay, Sel, make a wish. Okay. This is plain, croissant. And this is pasta. And the cappuccino. Here, the cappuccino is latte in Bahrain. Yung latte dito, milk lang. Pero ito ay cost us 6 euros and 10 cents. Ito 1.3 euro. Ito 1.6 euro. Tapos yung kape naman ay malamig yung kape. Hindi malamig yung yung foam lang. We're so tired. Look at our eyes. Naka 11,000 steps na kami. And it's only 9 o'clock. Let's eat. Ito yung haggard. Pretty face pa rin. Hi guys! We're here at Trevi Fountain. Gusto kami mag-throw ng coin. And nag-wish kami before namin na tinapon din sa tubig. Yung dami ng tao. Time check. Ano oras na? 9 o'clock pa lang. Diba? 9 o'clock or 10? Lalakad na kami.
9:49.
9:49. Kailangan na namin bumalik sa train station. Bye!